Are you tired of blurry, pixelated photos and videos? Want to know the secret to capturing stunning, crystal clear moments? Well, buckle up because today, I'm going to show you how Pixel 8 is better than the rest. Have you ever been frustrated with your current smartphone's camera? Maybe it struggles in low light, or perhaps it can't keep up with fast-moving subjects. Well, Pixel 8 has you covered. But how, you ask? Imagine this. You're at a dimly lit concert, your favorite band playing on stage, and you want to capture that epic moment. Pixel 8's low-light capabilities are mind-blowing. With its advanced sensor technology, it grabs every detail, even in the darkest of settings. But that's just the beginning. Ever missed a once-in-a-lifetime shot because your camera was too slow to focus? With Pixel 8, that's history. Its lightning-fast autofocus tracks moving subjects with precision, so you never miss a beat. But hold on, we're just getting started. Have you ever wished your photos looked as vivid and lifelike as what your eyes see? Pixel 8's color accuracy is unmatched, bringing your memories to life in breathtaking detail. And here's the kicker, Pixel 8's battery life. Are you tired of your phone dying on you halfway through the day? Pixel 8's power efficiency ensures you stay connected longer, so you can capture more memories without constantly hunting for a charger. But wait, there's more. Pixel 8's camera software is a game changer. From stunning portrait mode to mind-blowing AI enhancements, your photos and videos will never be the same. So why settle for less when you can experience the best? Pixel 8 is redefining smartphone photography and videography. But hey, don't take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and see the magic unfold. Are you ready to take your photography to the next level? Click the subscribe button now to stay updated on all the latest Pixel 8 tips, tricks, and reviews. Don't miss out on this revolutionary technology.